Well, it's Monday, and I'm just down here in my studio looking at my clays, trying to figure out what to do next. I've been popping little ideas in my brain as the week goes by last week. I've got some ideas cooking in my brain, and I don't know what I'm going to do exactly right now. It's just a slow process of getting to a point where I feel inspired to do something. As you can see, I've got plenty of pieces sitting here. This one back here of Henry Roman nose. The armature for the feather on his head, you can see it hanging there. And it got so warm here in my studio that the clay feather that was on that armature fell off. So I've got to take care of that. Got a lot of clays that I've produced over the last couple of years, and it's depressing to see all these sitting here. I've got pieces sitting here. I got one that a client is thinking about getting a copy of, but I haven't heard back. And I need to do a little work on that before it goes to a foundry. I've got a clay there that of two horses. I had an idea for something a long time ago, and it just been sitting there for several years in pieces. This one here is of a young Lakota woman with a pet dog. And I've been rethinking this piece. I don't know if I'm ever going to have anything done with it. I may just cut it down and make it just a simple clay, I don't know, or just reuse the clay. This one I did back when I was in my studio just outside of Ennis, Montana. This has been years, probably 10, 15 years since I worked on this clay of a couple of grizzly bears. Just wasn't happy with the proportions of the grizzly bear. I got all my maquettes here that I've bought online. I know it's hard to see because the lighting isn't all that great down here in my studio. But gotta rearrange my shelves so I got more room to put stuff. Because one of the other things that I have to worry about is having enough room to put things that I work on. And I'm running out of room. That's all I've got left of an over 6 foot tall cowboy I once did a long time ago, back in the early part of the back in the early part of the 2000s. Up here I've got a clay of some ghost dancers. Up there is a Viking I did a while back, probably a couple of years ago. And that was a horse head I did a long time ago. It was my first instructional video was on how to do that horse head. Got a sketch I did for a sitting bull that now is in bronze. So I don't know what I'll do with that clay. In my entryway of the house that I rent, I've got these clays sitting here on top of a closet box that are collecting dust also. So you can see that I've got a lot of work that I've finished, and it gets to me sometimes. that I've got so much work sitting here in my studio, and I'm still can't stop myself from sculpting. So it may be another week without sculpting, but I just wanted to give you guys an update as to what I'm doing. And it's cold down here. This entryway, the heater went out on it last year, and so it's a one cold area of my studio, or my house. And I got my Santa Claus in storage up there on the top of a little cabinet in the entryway of my house here. All right, Monday morning, early, and I'm up trying to figure out what I'm going to do and do a little stimulating of my brain by going through my reference materials and photographs from model shoots and stuff like that. Don't think that I'm sitting and doing nothing. I haven't taken a vacation in my whole life. My vacation is basically sitting in my house trying to figure out what to do next. All right, don't stop thinking about me, and because I haven't stopped thinking about you guys. I'll see you when I see you. And I'll keep you updated. All right, have a great day and a great week. One way I keep myself in the studio and I can buy clay to work with and pay for the internet to put the videos that I shoot on to the web is through my sales of my instructional videos. If you're so inclined, check the link below this video where I have a review of all 9 of my current instructional videos, and see if you possibly find anything interesting there. I pretty much give you my over 50 years of experience in sculpting, and I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider purchasing 1 or 2 or even all my videos. They're streaming online on Vimeo, and you need a passcode to see them, but that works forever as long as you have that passcode and the link. So please consider that. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.